Okay, folks, so today let's see, this will be lesson 1-9C. I'm just going to name it possibilities. Come on, give me a little dot. There it is. Okay, so possibilities. So there are 15 possible key signatures. Why? Well, let's think about it. You have a flat, you have a sharp, and how many letters of the alphabet do you have? In music, we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay? So that means that you can have up to 7 flats or 7 sharps. You can also have one that has nothing. Why? Because think about it. If you have 7 naturals in the key signature, that's the same as having one natural in the key signature. Naturals are understood to be there. Okay? So let's think about that for a second. So that means we have, as possibilities, A, B, C, D, F, G. We have F, C, G, D, A, E, B. Father Carlos gets dessert at every bakery. Or B, E, A, D, G, C, F. Don't have a good another one other than beat and Graves common factor. I'll find one and post it. You may not have sharps and flats. You cannot do this. That's a terrible sharp. Let me undo that. There, that's better. This? No, not possible. You may not have sharps and flats in the same key signature. Ever. Ever, ever. For never, never. For no reason. Okay? So, what does it look like? Well, I came prepared. This is treble clef. These are your possible key signatures. Okay? Now, you see up at the top, you see C major, G major, D major, etc., F sharp major, C sharp major, etc. Why don't, the question that you're going to ask, I can already hear it, well, why do you have G without a symbol, but F has a sharp? The answer is it involves something that we don't get into as beginners, okay? It involves scales in theory, music theory that's constructed that's a little above your pay grade right now. Will you learn it? Absolutely. Are you going to learn it in 6th grade or 7th grade as beginners? Nope. Advanced band doesn't learn it yet either. You really don't even learn it till high school. So take that question and put it on the shelf for a while, okay? Now, these are your key signatures in treble clef, okay? Now here, you'll see that you don't have a clef after each one or before each one. That's okay. I did it for alto clef, as you'll see, but this is okay because we're going to get into why we can change key and whatnot in the next video. Okay, so if you haven't paused this and taken a screenshot, I'm going to give you 10 seconds to do so now. Okay, there's bass clef, same thing. You'll notice that everything lines up on the letters that they fit. Now, the 4th line is F, so the sharp for F moves down here. Father, Father Carlos gets, Father Carlos gets dessert, Father Carlos gets dessert at, Father Carlos gives dessert at every, Father Carlos gets dessert at every bakery. Okay? And then B, BE, BEA, BEAD, BEADG, BEADGC, BEADGCF. How can you remember that order? Well, let's go back to the first page for a minute. this one goes right around into the next one. So if you remember one, Father Carlos gets dessert at every bakery, and know that that one, oh, wrong color, equals sharps, then all you have to do is go backwards. Say there's two flats in the key signature. Well, Father Carlos gets dessert at every bakery. What are the last two? Bakery and every, B and E. What are the first two flats? B and E. Okay, we're going to get into this. Now, I want to show one more thing. And I'm going to stop this video and then go to the next one. This is alto clef. This is the ones for those who play viola. And even though there's only one of those instruments, we have 20 students, give or take, that play viola. No, 15. 15 that play viola. So I want to make sure that we get them their moment in the sun as well. So as you can see, everything is the same, just adjusted for the letter. Okay? So this is the possibilities that those who ask questions about the 15 key signatures and all the clefs, and could you have more than two and whatnot. I thought that would be clear from the first video, but given the number of times I was asked this question, it was appropriate to make a video for it. So 1-C, 1-9C, possibilities, goes over all the possible key signatures. This is Escoba, signing off.